I-pray daw. Okay.
Pray lang po tayo sa good evening po. We are gathered here today to celebrate the life of baby Bangko. Let us put ourselves in the loving presence of God. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. O Lord our God, we come before you this day in sadness. Bob, who brought us so much joy in life, has now died. Our happy times in our family's embrace have come to an end. We miss Bob already. Help us, God, to remember the good times with Bob. Remind us to rejoice in the happy times you brought to our home. Let us be thankful for the good life we're blessed to give to her. We are grateful to you, God, for creating Bob, for entrusting her to our care, and for sustaining her in her love for a measure of time. We understand that all our lives must die. We knew that this day would come, and yet, God, we would have wanted one more day of play, one more evening of love with God. Oh God, as we have taken care of one public life, we ask that we watch over her in death. You entrusted Bob to our care, now we give her back to you. May Bob find a happy new home in your loving embrace. As we remember Bob, may we love each other more dearly. May we care for all your creation.